Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AliExpress payment problem. So if you're a dropshipper or shop for personal purpose on AliExpress and you're having difficulties with payment, this is how to solve the problem. If the payment method is the only payment method available, you might want to submit an appeal to AliExpress. So you can change the means of payment or you can submit an appeal. Now to submit an appeal, you can do this both on mobile and on PC. You'll be taken through the same steps on both devices. Now click on submit appeal. Read a privacy notice for your personal information and click on got it. Now depending on the reason for the appeal, you'll be requested to provide verification documents, which the available options are ID card, driver's license, passport and so on. Now click here to upload the document requested and choose the document. Click on open and the document will be imported. Once you have provided all necessary information, click on submit. Your appeal will be submitted and they will reach out to you via email within the next 1 to 3 business days. If the appeal process is successful, you'll be able to proceed making payments with that payment option. If the appeal process is rejected, you need to find an alternative way of making payments. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.